Hello friends, in this video you will discover how you can register your products with NAFDAC by yourself from the comfort of your home without stress and without middlemen, even if you have no production space. Yes, are you tired of supermarkets telling you we can't stock your products because you don't have NAFDAC registration number? Have you been trying to register your products with NAFDAC and you don't even know how to go about it? Have you tried to figure out the NAFDAC registration process all by yourself and you keep getting confused over the entire process? Do you want to increase the sales of your food products and other products by supplying to even more supermarkets? Do you want to start exporting your food products, thereby increasing your sales? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this is the right video for you. The information I'm about to share with you is going to change your entire story. I was like you several years ago, pregnant, confused, trying to figure out how to register my food products, and I was frustrated, just as you are. A lot of supermarkets rejected my food products because it had no NAFDAC registration number. I even lost some money during the documentation process because I had to spend a lot of money on correcting of errors and going back and forth NAFDAC office just to get my products registered with NAFDAC. I made a lot of mistakes trying to register my products with NAFDAC. I went back and forth, but you don't have to be like this. My name is Virtuoso. I'm the founder of V Classic Foods Limited. I'm also a food business coach, and on my YouTube channel, I've shared over 14 videos on how you can register your products with NAFDAC without stress. I have helped over 1,000 business owners with the right information and strategies, and some of them have gone ahead to even register with NAFDAC on their own. I have a training coming up on how you can register your products with NAFDAC. With this training, you will learn a step-by-step process of how you can register your products with NAFDAC. Even a little child can understand. A simplified process from A to Z on how to register your products with NAFDAC. You'll also discover all the NAFDAC registration documents you need. I will even tell you how you can download these documents. You will also learn what to do when you're trying to get a production space, and also how you can register your product even if you have no production space yet. You will learn how to design your product packaging, the label of your product, so that you would not make so much mistakes like I made. Also get an idea of the cost breakdown of the entire NAFDAC registration process. You will learn tips on how to save money, save costs, save resources, and also avoid middlemen. You will learn how to start your online registration on NAFDAC portal, even how to track your online registration, and a lot more. The actual value of this training is over 25,000 naira, but you'll be paying only 2,500 for the first 100 students because I want to impact a lot of people and I just want the right and serious people in the room. I should be having a lot of bonuses. Free Q&A session, question and answer session that is worth over 25,000 naira. Free consultation for you to ask your questions and I'll answer. This offer is open to the first 100 people to register. If this training does not deliver on all the promises, you are free to ask for your refund. I guarantee you that. This training holds on the 25th of October 2025. And even if you're seeing this video after the training, you can go ahead, click on the link. The training will be recorded. You can always watch this video even after this training. But remember that the price will not be the same. So jump at it now and register, because after the training, the price goes up. If you're watching this video on YouTube, check the description box for the link and you can go ahead, click on it and just pay for the training and register. And if you're watching on other channels, check the link in the caption and you'll be able to register. Note before, this is the best NAFDAC registration training you will ever attend. And you will not need to attend any other training after this one. I guarantee you that if you are able to implement every single thing that you'll be learning in this training. I'll see you in class.